What's good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. It's been, I want to say about a year and a half. I locked out my YouTube account. I forgot my passcode and all that other stuff. But I finally got it back. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be back consistent. You know what I'm saying? I'm posting videos, multiple videos every week. You know what I'm saying? All type of content, vlogs, everything you can think of. You know what I'm saying? But I'm back for it this time. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to 500. Roll to 500. You know what I'm saying? I'm like I want to say about 170 subscribers. You know, so got a long way to go. And I got about 30 days. Give myself 30 days to get to 500 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, it's a lot of work I got to do. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned for all this new content coming. Right now, I'm about to go pick up some shoes and Jordan 5, the Burgundy that came out. They alright, but I'm a Jordan 5 fan, so you know I gotta get those. That's my favorite Jordan 5. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I'm on the way to the mall. What's good, YouTube? I'm back. Don't mind the shirt change. I spilled some on my shirt when I went out, but yeah, I'm back at the house. I was gonna record some more earlier, but my battery died. I forgot to charge it all the way up. But yeah, I went to the mall and stuff. I bought some the new Jordan 5s that came out. I told y'all about. You know what I'm saying? I'm unboxing here with y'all. See what they look like in person, you know. You know what I'm saying? I really wasn't planning on getting these, but I'm a Jordan 5 guy, so it was like, why not? Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I see these. See what these look like. You know what I'm saying? They're cool. Different colorway. You know what I'm saying? It's something different for what I usually wear. But you know, cool with that. This the other shoe. You know what I'm saying? Cool. How y'all feel about them? Y'all get them or not? Would y'all cop these, rock these? Let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? But they cool though. See if I can put something together with them this weekend or something. I like them though. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment. You know what I'm saying? If y'all like them, comment down below. If y'all don't, comment down below. Let me know, you know what I'm saying, how y'all feel about these. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I like these though. You know what I'm saying? Can't complain. You know, so I'm really waiting for the Jordan 1s that's about to come out. The brown and black ones though. You know what I'm saying? But appreciate for y'all watching this video. You know what I'm saying? It's a little light mini vlog. You know what I'm saying? I got more content coming soon. I already got a couple videos already recorded. Just gotta edit those and put those out. You know what I'm saying? But the content might be real good real soon. You know, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. I'm like at 170, something like that. But you know what I'm saying? Every subscription matters. Every subscription count. I appreciate all the support and everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see y'all real soon.